Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla rear hatch not latching properly and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, the rear hatch may fail to latch securely, reopen after closing, or show a warning that the trunk is open even when it appears shut. This can occur intermittently or consistently and may be more noticeable after loading cargo or during temperature changes. The vehicle usually remains drivable, but the alert is intended to prompt inspection. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, hatch design, software version, and operating conditions. Verified information shows that one documented reason involves latch and alignment tolerance. The rear hatch relies on precise alignment between the latch, striker, and body seals. Minor misalignment, body flex, or seal compression can prevent the latch from fully engaging, causing the system to register the hatch as not closed even when it appears flush. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior service history, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Electrical and sensor-related factors are also documented. The latch assembly includes sensors that confirm closed status. If sensor signals are intermittent due to wiring conditions, contamination, or internal switch wear, the vehicle may display a warning despite the hatch being mechanically closed. As a possible contributing factor, low auxiliary battery voltage could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Software-related behavior has also been reviewed. Tesla software monitors hatch status and may apply conservative logic after updates or during wake-up cycles. In some situations, recalibration or temporary communication delays can cause incorrect status reporting until the system refreshes. Environmental and usage conditions can also influence latching. Cold temperatures can stiffen seals, while dirt or debris around the latch area can interfere with full engagement. Added cargo weight or uneven loading may slightly shift alignment during closure. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include ensuring the hatch closes without obstruction, checking alignment and seal condition, cleaning the latch area, and keeping vehicle software up to date. If the issue persists, service inspection can adjust alignment, test latch sensors, or replace the latch assembly if a fault is confirmed. Reviewed information indicates that rear hatch latching issues are not universal and often relate to alignment tolerance, sensor feedback, or environmental conditions rather than a widespread defect. In conclusion, Tesla rear hatch not latching properly is generally linked to latch alignment, sensor signal behavior, software monitoring logic, or environmental factors rather than a structural failure. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate inspection and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.